if this doesn't go well, then I'll switch over to my M4.
If this one's fucked, I'm switching over to a bolt action sniper or just running pistol.
Yeah.
Hey guys, today we're going to be playing at Jacksonville Paintball and Airsoft to play in their Milsim event known as Operation Shadowfront.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
For this operation, we will be on the
Camera
TAN
check.
team, also known as the SDA, or the Southern Dominion Army. We will be fighting against the NDA, or the Northern Defense Alliance.
Yeah,
over
I'm going to
various
take my team
objectives.
and we're going to move left.
Around the map are civilians and mercenaries who have been formed by the town civilians in an attempt to resist against both SDA and NDA. Today I'll be using my Milsim loadout and my SEMA AK Alpha.
Yeah.
Our team is comprised of 4 teams: Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta. Alpha team being the overall commander, and then the other teams being individual strike teams.
That's what I should do.
I am in charge of Strike
Just
Team
trip on
Bravo
one
for this
camera.
operation. The first objective of the day is to gain ground while also defending our team's mortar site.
Does my kit at least look decent? Does it match?
Say again your last.
Hey, if we get contact, 3 fall back to hold perimeter. Give me one. Watch that door. Stand by. Patrick. Hey. Hey. Movement.
Enemies in here?
I hear movement.
Alright, hey, 3 guys. 3 guys. Hold on.
Yep.
There's a mortar push back. 3.
Guys. Yay. Stay with him. You're his cover. Hold the tree line. I need one more. Patrick, send me one more. Notify your front. Hey, get right here. Get right here. Hang one. I'm gonna grab one. Hey, you, come here. We're holding a line. I want you to sit right here in this bush and just watch the right, okay?
Right here?
Yeah, here, come here, come here. You can sit right here and you can watch this, okay? Because whenever we get contact, we need 3 people to hang back. Huh?
We're southeast.
Southeast?
Yeah.
Stand by one. I took that kid under care.
That way? What's up? North is that way? Southeast is that way? Alright, hey. Southeast, enemy, alright? Hey, pull back. Pull back, go to the border tube. Huh?
He's Merson.
He's a civilian.
Is he hostile?
No.
Then don't shoot him. We're gonna hold him order. Clear these buildings, make sure no one came in behind us. Okay.
All clear over here.
Okay, so they have visual on enemy contact in the wood line on the right side. So we're in charge of holding this position in expectation that they're going to try to push around as a flank. Okay. I wish this radio works. If we do get contact, we need to be able to tell them.
If anything, you can use me as a runner.
No, we need three
we
here.
need the firepower.
Hey, I got multiple pushing left side.
I got eyes, not range.
They're approaching through the little pathway.
10-4. I'm trying to watch this middle and right for a flank. Do we have an exact location where mortar pit's at?
Still over by the Connex on the left side in the path.
Copy.
Enemy contact, far right.
I have no visual.
Taking contact with far left side on the path.
Still no visual. That's ref. That's a ref.
My contacts are about to go out.
Contact right side. Contact right side. 3. I got 3 moving through the woods. Hey, be advised, I got a small element moving right through the wood line. They're trying to do a hard flank from our position. Stand by, they're behind that wood structure. Correction, it's going to be an element of 5.
We send more people towards you.
10-4. I got 5 elements at this time.
Copy.
Same as pushing up 50 meters.
We are currently taking fire from Connexes. Repeat, Connexes. Is it the wood structure on the main road?
Negative. It's going to be the wood structure far right into the wood line.
A heavy push on the left side. Repeat, left side.
10-4. I got no visual. I'm still holding this right.
Small element with Braxton pushing the defended asset on the left-hand side.
Hey, get in cover. Get in cover.
Reaper.
I advise, I'm forcing contact on the right. Hey, they're in that wood structure just past this one.
Approximately how many guys do you have over there with you?
Friendly or hostile?
Friendly.
I got 4. I have an enemy element of 5 or 6 now. They're still trying to snipe. They haven't moved their positions yet.
They are just a distraction. They're waiting for this main element to come this way, wipe us out.
10-4. Is the mortar down?
Negative. That's us shooting mortars.
Copy. I'm going to attempt to push up slightly so I can get a better visual.
Braxton is the main element. So if coming towards you.
10-4. I'm gonna try to push the secondary element.
I need a ACE report with personnel, ammo, and gear.
We have none. Hey. You.
All good?
Come here. Come here. We're green on ammo and medical. Hey, take this spot and look this way.
Copy.
It's okay, just come here. Yo. Huh? Stand by.
All consolidate on my position, left side of the motor.
Mortar? Stalker, we're good on ammo and medical.
We need to consolidate on my position.
You mean regroup?
Yes.
What about this flank? You want us to hold the flank?
Pull back. Pull back.
10-4. Go to that building. Go, go, go. Hey. Hey. Go to that building with him. Go. Yeah. We're regrouping with command. Go to that building, move him to the next.
Guys, I am second in command.
10-4. I'm having my element move back to you.
Oh, copy.
Hey, that green element is pushing far right. They're coming behind us.
Copy on all.
That element has just moved back. They're continuing to move back. They're going to come from where we spawned. Tan. Move to the next building. We're going back to our element.
Copy, coming around, gang down with everyone, and then we're going to distribute troops. Go handle them.
10-4. I got my tan moving to you guys.
Copy, just keep eyes on them since we have guns.
I'm trying. I'm having my team move back, and I'm moving back after them. Tan.
The mortar.
Hey, we're going to stand over here at this building by the boat and watch our flank. Hey, I got 3 with me.
There's money and there's cash laying around the AL, right?
Okay,
We need that to get more intel.
okay.
So we're gonna start splitting up into 4-man teams. And
Okay.
we're gonna start searching all buildings.
I'll take these 3 with me.
those
We
3?
got an element of 5 or 6
Coming
moving
back
on
that
that right, coming from where we spawned. They're moving on our rear, trying to take a foothold on this mortar.
Okay. Well, we own this mortar now, so.
Okay, well, I'm going to have my team. We're going to stage on this corner.
Hey, who the fuck is that right there?
That's Merce.
Mars? Okay, cool. Hey, you're good.
Be advised, the Mercs have been like standing on top of our positions and trying to interact with us during firefights.
Did you say index?
Index.
For real?
Yeah.
You're not fucking with me?
No.
Why are we indexing?
got everybody? Got a lot of rounds.
Hey, did you have everyone that you
We fortunately were able to
Yeah, I
win
got
this
my 3.
game by depleting the enemy's team's troops and defending the mortar successfully.
Return, staging. Staging.
That's going to be it for today, guys. I
Where's your-
appreciate you
where's your
watching,
buddy?
and I am going to have more
have
content on
3.
this
Where's
coming
the other
out
one?
at a later date.
All right.
Other than that,
We're returning
stay
and
safe out
staging.
there.